Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Gaikwad. I am graduate in BCA MGM College of CSN IT Nanded. Today my topic name is control statement in Java. The control statement, the control flow in Java. The control statement, there are in three types of statement we can use. First one is if statement, decision making statement. Decision making statement in if statement, simple if statement, and nested if statement. And second one is a looping statement. Looping statement take use while loop statement, do while loop statement, and for loop statement. And third one is a jumping statement and a break. Jumping statement we can use break statement and continue statement. The decision making statement, the if statement, there are the condition is true, then execute the if statement, and if else statement use the condition is true, then R to execute the if else statement. And else if statement and if else statement, they are in same work to the Java. And the second one is a looping statement. The looping statement use for loop. The for loop use execute the number to many times to print. They can use the for loop statement. And jumping statement is break condition. The break condition use the infinite time to print the any other programs. They can execute the break. The looping statement mostly used in if and else statement. They are any condition in Java. The condition they are executed the Java, executed the true and false. The while statement they are same to the for loop statement. The for loop and while statement is the same part to the executed. And it is the while statement. The for loop statement, there are three part uses: initialization, declaration, and increment and decrement. But the while loops, there are a single part, the declaration. The declaration then they executed the while loop statement. And do while statement, they are the same. They are a declaration they can use not to the initialization and increment decrement post. And second one is the nested if statement. Nested if statement, the condition is true, false, then invalid to use the nested if statement. And switch statement use the switch statement. There are in the cases. There are in many types of cases. Then print, but the not match this case, but then default executed time. Thank you.